Hi, friends. A lot of people have asked me many questions around how we can make or how we can earn passive income um, other than what we are making in our 9 to 5 jobs. And most of the time, uh, they're looking forward to go into meetups, networking events, get to know about e-commerce, how e-commerce work, and try investing some bucks into Shopify stores, drop shipping stuff, and many other ways by which they would like to make some extra cash. Now, after analyzing various online strategies, I came to know that it is very difficult to actually make sales online and then get it delivered, or even if you're doing drop shipping, it has a lot of lot of inventory, lot of supply chain management in the whole process. So the question arises, what is the easiest way, or what is the way by virtue of which you can invest less time, less effort, and make good amount of money? So, by analyzing all these different money making online models, I realized that the easiest way to make money online is to sell something which people need. Now, I'm not talking about selling information because that market got saturated way long back. So there used to be a decade where people used to write articles or ebooks and create tutorials online, which they used to sell to other people who wanted to know more about that specific thing or that specific technique. But information is available free online right now. I mean, you can search on Google or different other search engines and find that information in a various different ways, by infographics, by YouTube videos, by articles, by free books, etc., etc. So that market has been saturated already. Now, what is what is the key? What is the key market which is still um, emerging, I should say? So we got the big giants in e-commerce market like Amazon, eBay, there's Etsy, there's Shopify for retailers. So that has been already captured. But there is still a market remains which actually gives you easy bucks by just doing few bits, which is selling digital products online. Now, by digital products, I don't mean ebooks, right? What I mean is something like a small software or a code which you need to create an app, or a graphic design which people can use into their marketing stuff, or a script which people can install, or a WordPress theme, or a WordPress plugin, or something like a newsletter software. These kind of stuff are key nowadays because people are looking for them, and when you sell them, they can instantly download them, and then after downloading they can keep it. So basically it's a product. It's not just the information, it's the product which people buy from you and then use it as per their convenience. And by selling digital products, you don't actually have to deliver anything. It's just available there. They can just download it and then use it. So the next question is how you can do it. So I should say that there is an amazing website called selldigitalproductsonline.com, which enables you to list products for free. They charge 5% straightforward, and you can just go there and just to create an account, connect your payment gateway. It's available already there in the payment section, and then upload as many product as you want. Now you will ask me that, oh, I don't have any product, Harshal. I don't have any skill set to create any graphic, or I don't have any skill set to create any script, or I don't have any skill set to create any software or an app or etc. Anything. Well, exactly like you, I have no skills to create any of these. So how should I make money? Well, the thing is, on this platform, the good bit is you can actually sell images. Now, by images, I don't mean a professional DSLR camera and it's a high definition image. I was traveling to Austria and I was taking multiple pictures on the way, and I took many pictures, like I was sitting on the corner of the castle wall. I was walking, so I took some footage of my shadow. I took a picture of a tree, and etc. etc. Now I have a simple iPhone 7 camera, which is like, I don't know, 10, 12 megapixel. It has a good quality of image. What I did is I uploaded all those images on selldigitalproductsonline.com, and then I just put £1 a cost for them, and I made sure that I tag or I name those image as relevant as possible. So let's say if I take a picture of a castle and a tree next to it, or if I take a picture of a swimming pool without any water, or if I take a picture of a tire of a truck, I take the picture, upload it, and I write the name of it like picture of a tire of an old truck, right? And then I put some description of 200 words, which is like nothing, well, you are sitting in that train or anywhere, just put it there. And then there is an option where you can actually select how much revenue you would like to share. Now that option enables you to basically share your revenue with influencer or a marketer. So what I did is I started sharing 50%. Now my images were relevant, and then people started searching for them and they found them. And marketers, like having millions of followers or millions of newsletter subscribers, they started linking my products onto their articles, which actually generated me plenty of money. I mean, every day I receive emails that I have got £1 and I've got 50 pence, I've got 40 pence. That's a free money. It's money for taking picture. Money for taking picture. I mean, can you imagine how easy it is? Just take a picture, upload, tag it properly, specify how much amount of that sale you want to share with the marketer, and that's it. And for the lifetime, you will get the revenue, right? I mean, don't click picture of a logo of McDonald's or a super celebrity or somebody who is like famous, who can or something which get you into trouble for copyright. Just take normal pictures on the road. I mean, take a empty road picture. Both side of that road is desert, and then click it and then put it on SDPO and just sell it for £1. There is plenty of marketing firms looking for those kind of pictures, and on SDPO you can actually upload video footages, images, any other kind of stuff which is digital and available online. So that's the easiest way how you can make money or passive income while doing what you do anyways and making extra cash. Yeah.